Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and today I am doing a Piglet Disneybound. I'm so excited to be back on my Disneybound series because I love it so much. I love dressing up in the parks, and Piglet is one of my all-time favorite characters. When I was little, literally Piglet was me. I felt such a strong connection. I was such a scared, anxious kid. I was always scared to go try new things and do stuff, but I always had like my friends back to kind of push me to do it, and I just always felt a connection to Piglet. So I didn't just love Piglet because he was cute and pink. I loved Piglet because he just gave me strength to go. I remember when I was little, we went to Disney and I got this cute little like Piglet necklace, and I wish I still had it today. I don't know where it is, but I used to be so afraid to go on Pirates of the Caribbean, so I would just hold on to it. Like I would wear the Piglet and hold on to Piglet, like it's gonna be okay, I'm gonna get through this little drop. But when I was little, I thought it was a giant drop, but I was like, we can do this, we can do this. Like it was my source of everything. Like I loved Piglet so much, so I was so excited to finally be able to do a Piglet Disneybound. I was waiting till I had pink hair again, and it was so much fun to wear to the park, and it was so much fun meeting him, and I just feel so adorable and so full of pink. Is just literally the most pink Disneybound you can get. So if you guys would like to see how I got this makeup and the outfit I'm wearing, please keep watching. Alright, so I already have on my foundation and my eyebrows. I'm powdered, set, and ready to go. So let's move on to the eyes, and it's going to be a lot of pink eyeshadow. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in with this very true pastel pink eyeshadow. I'm going to apply that all throughout the crease as my transition color. And I'm just going to go in with a blending brush and do this. Let me zoom my eyes in so you guys can see a little bit better what I'm doing. And then on a more denser fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with a darker shade of that pink. It's a little bit more of a hotter pink. And we're going to start deepening up that crease even more. I'm really focusing that on the outer corner. Now for a little tinier bit of dimension, I'm just going to go into this darker pink shade right here, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that to the outer corner of my eye. These are literally just like 50 shades of pink going on your face right now, because Piglet is an entirely pink creature just like me. I love Piglet so much. So we just want to keep adding a lot of pinks. He has a lot of different variations. So he's a very pastel pink and like a darker pink and then a dark pink. So that's kind of what we're doing. We have the base, which is like his skin of the light pastel. And then we have the darker pink for like his body, and then this just to add little details. So we're just kind of spreading out that pink. Lots of pink. Love this look. Love Piglet. Like I'm obsessed. I'm going back into that second pink shadow, and I run that on my lower lash line. Connecting it to the top. This look is a very easy eye look because it's just a lot of pinks getting thrown together. Now normally like this much fallout wouldn't be as great, but since I'm going to be layering on a lot of pink blush later, I'm not even mad. And then I'm going back into that deeper shade of pink on a smaller pencil brush, and I'm really just going to apply that underneath the eye, just for that little bit of depth underneath the lower lash line. And then on the lid, I'm taking a liquid eyeshadow and a very pastel pink, and I'm just literally going to apply that all over the lid just to add some sparkle to the eye. And this really ties in Piglet's like baby pink shade. I love liquid shadows because it literally just makes it so much easier to get a pretty glitter. Like, look at that. Honestly, amazing. And I need to buy another one of these. Hopefully they still have it on the Wet n Wild website, because I know this is from the Gothic Graphic collection. Look at this packaging. It's like literally dying. This is like my favorite baby pink. It's amazing. I honestly like this one even better than the Stila pink one that came out. I love this shadow. See, look at that. Our eyes are pretty much almost done. We just need mascara and eyeliner. Like, that's how easy this look is. Oh, Now I'm going to take a white eyeliner and tightline my lower lash line to make my eyes look a little bit bigger, more cartoony. I know that Piglet kind of just has black eyes, but I think with all this pink, it's kind of nice to have this white kind of separate it so you don't look kind of sickly. And I'm going to add mascara and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Now let's move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to add a little tiny bit of contouring, so we're just going to go in our contouring shade and just do a little tiny bit. We are a Piglet, so we got a little Piglet face, so we don't have to be, you know, chill to the gods for this, because we're just a cute little Piglet. Just being a cute little Piglet. Contour done. Now let's go in with some blush. Now we are going to do a lot of pink blush. We're going in with my all-time favorite pink blush, Pink Grapefruit by City Color Cosmetics. Honestly, like, I need 50 of these because it's my favorite blush. I almost wear it like every day of my life. But we're going to add lots and lots and lots of this because I love it. And it's pink and we're Piglet and we get to throw all the pink on our face. Excuses to be pink. Now, I really was so excited to finally meet Piglet at this trip because you can only meet him at the Crystal Palace, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't spend a lot of money on restaurants when I go Disney. I mostly just eat snacks because I'm cheap and like it's expensive. Like it's like 30 something dollars. I think it was $38 for breakfast, which I mean doesn't seem like that much, but also like, and it's a buffet and it's great and it's delicious and you'll see in the vlog, like I loved it, but it's the only place you can meet Piglet, and I've always wanted to meet Piglet. I love Piglet, and I was just so excited. Like, I pretty much cried. I was crying. I was so happy to finally meet Piglet. Don't forget to add some to your nose, because, you know, Piglet's got a cute little pink nose, so you need to have a cute little pink nose. Sorry, back to what I was saying. But, like, it was just so cute, and he was so cute, and, like, we look so cute together. I love it. I'll insert a photo. Like, it just was... God, I was so happy. Like, he kissed my hand. Like, it was just amazing. I loved it so much. I was literally like a 5-year-old again, and I had this little outfit on and this makeup, and like it was literally perfect because I just really love Piglet. Like, he was my favorite growing up, my non-princess favorite. Now that we are covered in blush, it is time to add some highlight to this look. Now we want a very pink highlight, so I'm going into the Rue 21 highlighter palette I have. Oh my god, it's so amazing, so cheap. It was literally $1. And we're gonna highlight everywhere. So we're gonna go through our brow bone to the cheekbone, connect that. Just lots of highlighter. When I'm at Disney, I love to glow and be in everyone's face. I call my highlighter my pixie dust throughout the day, and it's just so cute. So we just go in, we just go crazy, go to town, add that highlight. We want, you know, we want it to be shining through the 100-acre wood, honestly. Like, it's so beautiful. We add a little bit to the nose, because you can't forget the nose. Cupid's bow. Chin. I'm not going to worry about my brow, my forehead and stuff, because I have bangs again, so we don't have to do all that. Easy. And then I'm also just going to add a tiny bit to the inner corners of the eye to make them pop more. I always forget to do that until like right before I'm done, so we're going to make sure we do that now while we are highlighting. Now to finish off the look, we are going to add our lipstick. I'm going in with the Lala shade from the Sugar Pill Little Twin Stars collection. This is literally the perfect Piglet pink. Like, it's beautiful. So we're just going to apply that to the lips. And I'm going to add just a tiny bit of glitter to that. So this is the Diamond Crusher in Strip. And I'm just applying that to the center of the lips. What I like about these is that they give that little gloss illusion because of the glitter. So like when you get the cute glitter, it kind of looks dewy and wet like a gloss. But it's not a gloss because I hate gloss and I don't like the feeling of it. I like a matte lip and that's like it. So this gives me that little effect of the, you know, juicy, glossy lip without having to deal with it. Now you could stop here and be a super cute, just little Piglet, but we're extra. It's Disney. You want to look super cute. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter to my cheeks as well to finish off the look. So to do that, I'm just going to spray some setting spray and then tap it to my face. And now we're gonna get into the outfit. I'm gonna actually put in clips from the Disney trip where I was wearing this bound so you can see the full outfit in full effect with Piglet, because it's so cute, and like it'll be cuter than me just standing in front of a backdrop with it. So let's look. So I was really obsessed with how this outfit turned out. Maybe one of my favorite bounds so far. I thrifted this super cute pink striped shirt a while back. I don't know if you saw it in the thrift haul before, but I saw it, immediately thought of Piglet, and was so excited. And then I just bought some pink fabric and just made a jumper skirt real quick. And I paired it with a pair of pink heads and my millennial pink mini ears, because sadly I don't have any Piglet ears, but I thought that fit the whole aesthetic, and I just felt so adorable. And like, look how cute we look together. Like, I was dying. So this is the finished Piglet look. It is so cute, so much fun, so comfortable to wear, and like it's literally just adorable. Like, you look so cute. Like, look, it's just like we're little piglets together. Like, how freaking cute. I love Piglet so much, and I love this bound. It was so much fun to wear. My friend was dressed as Winnie the Pooh, and I was Piglet, so it was just super, super cute. And like, meeting them was great, and I feel so cute. So please comment down below what other Disney bounds you'd like to see me do, because this is one of my favorite series I have going on, besides the emo one. I love that one too, but like the Disney bounding is my favorite. I love creating Disney bounds. I love going to the parks in my bounds. It's just so much fun. I love being that character for a day, and then when you get to meet the character you're dressed as, it's like the most phenomenal moment. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because that'd just be really rad of you guys. And I hope you guys stay lovely. Bye!